Run fast, don't suck. Cool.
No promises.
I try not to die. Kind of a big one. Don't worry.
Don't die. Optional.
I know. I get it.
15 seconds. 10.
So you're not sprinting?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run!
Yeah! Watch out for that bicycle.
Oh, hey, there's a ledge right there.
Clear. Can you check this one too? You just point it that way. Cool. Point it that way for him. Clear.
Are y'all the surfers of sphincters?
Yes, sir.
Come on over.
The what?
The sphincter surfers. I knew I was gonna break somebody today.
All right. One of you will insert a magazine into your holstered pistol, but leave the chamber empty. On the beep, the other will use the Israeli bandage to treat your partner's dominant arm. The injured shooter will then draw their pistol using their weak hand only, chamber around by racking the pistol on the barrier in some way, and make 3 hits on each of these 3 targets, weak hand only.
I can do that.
The other shooter will load rifle and make 1 hit on all far rifle targets from left to right, and then repeat that process. After the pistol shooter is complete, the rifle shooter will move down the range to the gray barrier and conduct the same sequence with their pistol, left to right, 1 hit on each, 2 times. Your rifle will go with you, so you'll have it loaded, safety, and slung.
Okay.
But,
so
who's gonna do pistol?
I will. So it was dominant arm, draw, 3-3-3,
Yep.
and then he's done rifle. So I go down range or he goes down range? I forgot that part.
So pistol will stay at this table.
Okay.
Everything will be weak hand for them, 3, and 3. He can shoot at the same time as you. He's going to do 1 on each from left to right. And then whenever you're done, he's going to move down to the gray barrier with his pistol, 1 on each left to right 2 times.
Okay, so all I got to do is weak hand, 3 on each.
Yep.
Of these 3
right.
targets.
3, 3, 3.
Yep.
Why don't you go ahead and ground your rifle?
Yeah, since you won't be using it,
Oh,
you
okay.
can lay it on the table.
Oh, that makes that 10 times easier.
I don't know what hand you're shooting or what side you're
I will be shooting left-handed because I'm a right-handed shooter.
All right, I'm going to give you this. Do y'all have any other questions? Y'all good to go?
You got it, Hanson?
Israeli bandage on your dominant arm. You let
Yes,
your
I
pistol do your
draw,
thing. I got
rack.
Rifle, 1 hit, gray barrier, swap the pistol, 1 hit, 1 hit.
Yep. All right, cool. Now, he'll be calling hits for you on a rifle. I'll be counting your hits, so that way y'all don't mix up who's getting what.
Sounds good.
All right,
You good?
ready?
Yep.
Stand by.
Keep going.
Thanks.
Hey, we know what's important.
priorities.
Is the penis okay?
Never know when you might have to surf a sphincter. Is that what it is?
Yes, absolutely.
You just tuck it in. Just tuck it, yeah. Good, good, good.
All right, that's good. Other hand, the holster. We're done. All right. Float up there, get that bandage.
One hand, work it.
Stay down and up, running off with it. That happened yesterday. Hit. Hit. Hit.
hit, 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 hit.
There you go. Hit,
hit, hit.
There you go.
Hit. Hit. Safe and sling. Holster.
Oh.
133.92. Go ahead and clear your rifle up.
Yes, sir.
Down here. All right, you good, bro?
Cool.
Oh God. Hey, that's not the warmest.
Point your rifle in a safe direction. Insert a magazine. Do not chamber a round. That's really weird because I just pissed in there to warm it up for you.
I think it got washed away.
Unsling. All right.
Oh, unsling.
Go ahead, take a knee.
So I thought you said on sling.
Well, that doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, well, I'm also retarded. Oh yeah, take a kneel. Yeah, you're right.
Right. Stand by.
I'm here.
Hit. 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 Weapon on safe.
Make sure you breach it on that tree, Hanson.
Yep.
Come on, Hanson, fix it. Get it up.
My ex-wife used to yell that to me every time.
Oh, I think he's got a round like stuck.
Yeah, the left guys kind of get hosed because it's very easy to put your ejection port.
Oh, there we go. I think you got it. Back up a step or two, Hanson. Get away from get your breach away from that tree.
You create a very nasty fucking buddy.
There you go. There you go.
Weapon on safe. Do it.
There you go, Hanson. Hit him. There you go. There you go.
Hit. 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 Weapon on safe.
Hit him, Hanson.
Unload so quick.
Send it. Send it.
There you go.
Tap rack.
There you go. It's not going in battery.
Dude.
All right, hold on. Let me see it.
Let me double check that. No.
In front of you. What is your team name?
Sphincter Surfers.
Got it.
No shit.
Alright, go ahead
Thank
and
you.
round on the barricade in front of you. Switch positions and go prone, getting in behind your rifles. Give me a thumbs up when you are ready. Left shooter indicates ready. Right shooter ready. Stand by. Still standing by.
Diamond target.
Copy.
There we go.
That's it. Weapon unsafe. Unload. Show clear.
I thought it was 3 hits.
Oh, was that too early? Well, fuck it. I called it. You guys are good. Unload.
Okay.
Show clear. 31, 64. Not bad. That's your gift. I didn't do anything for you.
Did you clear them? Check just to make sure. Yeah.
I wasn't sure either, so.
That's not bad. Merry Christmas.
You ready?
Yep.
All right, guys, indicate when we're ready.
Ready?
Stand by.
Nope, just this one.
Oh, just that strap?
I got it. I got it.
Good enough.
Go this way. To your right, Hanson. To your right.
Okay, yeah, just lead me.
Oh, wait. Yep.
This one.
Wrong spot again.
Get on line with each other. Yep, you're good.
I take first. Good. Ready?
This log behind me.
Yep, yep, yep. Dragging now.
Yeah.
I got the retardation out.
Did you though?
No.
Set it down parallel to the log when you get there.
Got it.
That's good. Get on line, engage in any order.
Including the torso or no?
The knockdown. Holster. Set it down. 2 hits each.
Good shit, Hanson. All right, ready? Last time.
Put it down, 2 hits each. Good job. Nice work. Y'all were
Sinker servers.
nice. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. Pretty solid time.
Not bad, fuck.
Unfortunately, you guys got to take it back and unload it.
I figured. I was catching breath for a split second.
Yeah. No problem.
Good fucking shit, brother.
That was good shit.
All right, shooters, are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
That may be very loud, moving noise. Just beware.
What? Shoot targets marked with a black X, 1 hit each. Partner must do the same. Only one of you shooting at a time.
Got it. Black X.
You shoot first.
Left.
Yep.
Hit!
Hit again, Hanson.
Oh yeah.
Hit!
Got it.
Reread instructions, reread instructions.
Your partner must do.
With 1 hit each. 1 hit.
Oh, 1 hit. Never mind. I'm retarded. All right, go right, Hanson. You shoot.
Hit! All right, guys. One of you has to shoot all the targets, and then the other person shoots all the targets.
Oh.
Yep.
All right, I'll go first, Hanson.
Go.
Hit! Hit!
Go.
All the targets. There's 2 in the back.
Oh shit.
There you go, there you go.
You got it, Cody.
I can't see my hits.
You're low.
You got it.
Good altitude, you're right.
Fucking hell. I had a hell of a hold off there.
Hit!
Low left. Whole target low, Hanson. Just off the bottom right edge. Don't know. Full target low. Left and right's good. Just below it. Hit. Just below it. Just to the left. Just below. Half target low. I can't tell. Just below him. Hit.
All right, guys, unload, shoot clear, mind your muzzles, please. Mind your muzzles. Oh, keep coming a little more way.
Yep. All right. Good.
5, 6, 6. Yep, all good. Yep, so your shooters.
Yeah. Sorry, Hanson. That was me being retarded on reading the stage brief.
I misread it too.
All right, next one, come on up.
Yeah, I'll eat the shit out of that one.
Cool. Good times. This is super tight. I'm real glad we like each
Oh,
other.
Jesus. Hi, Hanson. How are you?
Good thing I'm not afraid of the dark.
Shooters ready.
Ready.
Stand by.
Tippy top?
Yep.
Welcome to the roof.
Happy.
Radio. Hey, hold up. Here's your radio. That's the push and talk button. You can start loading your rifle and I'll finish the rest. Muzzle not sweep to the left of that leftmost target. Your buddy
Leftmost
will
being
keep-
the silhouette there?
Yes. Think about where you just walked from. Don't put your muzzle there.
Right torso, 3 hits.
Hit! 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 No.
Right torso.
Ask your buddy, get him on the radio. Ask him where it is.
Where's the right torso?
Watch your muzzle. We got people right below you.
At the top, it's down on a road approximately at your 2 o'clock.
Got it.
Pass into the right of
Hit! 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 Tell you, buddy, you're clear.
Clear, Hanson, go. Clear, Hanson, go.
All right, unload, show clear. Rajo! Nice job, man.
Yeah, I saw that torso. I was like, hey, that's the right one.
I know, yeah.
Oh, no!
Yeah, a lot of moving parts here. Good job. All right, meet your buddy at the bottom.
Nice and easy. Hey, we only DNF'd 1 stage today. It's not too bad.
Hey, good work.
Hey,
dude.
better than last year, where we only passed 2.
I can
Progress,
relate.
man,
We only
progress.
passed 2 yesterday, so.
We just didn't pass the bounding one because he kept getting jams in his rifle. How am I gonna do this without
Good, man.
killing myself?
There's no brass on the steps, so you're good to go.
Oh, that's Charles' buddy.
Yes, sir. Yeah, the sphincter surfers.
There you go.
Fuck's the stairs? Oh, the door closed. No? Yeah, there we go. Sorry, I couldn't find the door to come down and it closed on me.
I should have looked at the map and realized it may have been a little bit.
Well, I'll explain why. I'll show you on camera later. But I meant right now at the end of the stage, like if stage was done, show clear everything.
Yeah.
I stood at the bottom of the ladder up there. I was like,
We're gonna follow the road. Start finish.
yep.
Will do.
Yeah, no, I got down the ladder from the very top and I was like, the fuck's the stairs? The door closed.
Oh, God.
I was like, what the fuck is the stairs?
All right. You ready?
Hit the road and then run.
Yeah, I'm good with that. I'm not sprinting, but I'm gonna go.
I say once we round the building, sprint.
I'm good with that. Just finish on a really good note.
Yep.
Hey, man. 5 out of 6.
Okay, not bad, brother.
Go. Man. Come on. You got it. Up it.
Oh, Jesus.
Rifle clear.
Found these on the trail.
Sweet. How'd it go, guys? Good.
Get your stickers, get your pictures, buy some swag, come back to the
Did you guys like the hill? That's why we didn't want to take it.
Yeah, don't worry, we spared no expense on that hill.
Yeah.
We put it there just for you.
Yeah, we love that.